Good morning, YouTube. I'm here with Little Nick. We're heading down to Express. It is what time? About 7:30. It's about 7 o'clock. Yes, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. We're heading down to Express, coffee time, and then breakfast club. Hang out with us. You're going to be with us the whole time. I know it's a little gray and cloudy, but hopefully we'll have a little bit of fun this morning and get along. See you guys in a sec.
Oh, that's something nice. Oh,
Sounded a little better, though.
what?
It didn't sound that bad.
No.
Muffler is still good.
That car will backfire.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's just a factory muffler.
Mm-hmm.
When it, like, comes off the gas,
Mm-hmm.
dangerous. If I ever have my own dog,
Uh-huh.
I would not let it go out. Let it go
No.
out. Yes, I am picky with dogs. How bad it would be. And I can use this to stop it.
Mm-hmm.
Once that dog gets used to me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure I get it trained
Yeah.
just to walk beside me.
Ha. Nice.
That's all I'm gonna do. Train my own dog how I want it to get trained.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna have someone else tell me to train it. Oh, I know a way. Hey, I can get Norman's dog to train it for me.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll give him like fucking few bucks here and there to do that.
That'll work. That makes sense.
Yeah, like I'll give him.
Someone who's trained.
No, here's the thing is, technically, let's do this. I'm actually gonna pay the dog, but I'm giving Norman money.
What, like a job?
Yeah.
I don't think a dog needs money.
No, I'm saying I'm gonna.
Uh-huh. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, guys. What happened?
Didn't get wet.
No, it's early. Nice body. I'll grab one for Nick here, too. The same, double. Yeah. How's everybody today?
Good.
Good.
I think this over snow any day.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. I posted a video about his gross bunions on his feet. 200 views in like 10 hours.
Beat up hour.
Yeah, I don't know.
Said, show them off, West Sandals.
There's no accounting for what's popular.
You got it fucked up, bro.
I've been around my feet all night.
No, you were sleeping all night.
No, last night.
Last night, yeah. Do 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 do. Ah, they found a little girl in the dumpster.
No, baby.
No, she looked like she's like 6 or 7. Thank you.
Good stuff that so put it in the garbage and I like it's community as well. If we have any bones or chicken stuff or whatever, I just freeze it and then on garbage day.
Starting to rain.
That's all.
You want to head over there? So at least we're not in the rain. We're not walking in the rain. We're already there. Or do you think it's just going to be okay?
Yeah, it's just starting at the moment.
All right.
When it starts, we can book it.
All right.
Like, in a walking pace, though.
Right. That's good.
I mean, I can time out during just perfectly fine.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes when it starts to piss down, I'll wait underneath this for a few minutes, see if it dies down.
He's upgraded. He's got a cart now. No more,
easier than carrying.
no more lugging bags for him.
I mean, had before. He's a pretty nice guy.
Yeah.
I think. Decent. Actually, he was. There's this dumpster behind my place, and it's right behind Dollarama, the pharmacy, and all that. And everybody seems like the other day a car came up. The guys get out fast as they can go, open the thing, jump in, and they didn't find what they were looking for. They started looking in the other dumpsters, and then they left. A little while later, someone else comes out. They're always getting something out of the one dumpster. What could it be? Could it be expired?
Used needles?
Because the one time, there was a guy throwing stuff out of a dumpster, and I went over to look to see what he was throwing out, and it was
Is that the
just
guy that
expired
throws the
gum
pumpkin
and
at you?
expired
No. I don't think we'll
bars,
see him.
Like by one day.
Wow.
And I guess they had to throw them out, but he had those. At least the garbage
Oh, you terrify him pretty good, eh?
Yeah, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
I didn't have any more minutes yet.
Yeah,
I thought I would have done the same thing.
yeah. It was amazing. But maybe that's what they're after.
That would be regional.
They'll come in the
Suck
middle of the
here.
night.
Because this is all Niagara Regional now. It's run by Niagara Region. Now, Welland doesn't have a transit system anymore. They mismanaged it so much that they got taken over by Niagara Region.
It was like this when I was taking my garbage out and everything, and I was gonna leave right after that, and it was like this. And then
Now
as soon as I
this.
could have walked in, it slowed right down.
Come on, dude.
Now this is,
Don't call them over. I think that's Candace. It's starting to rain more.
yeah, what happened to your little sprinkling and it's gonna go away there?
What?
He's still hoping, I think. Wow, look at that bird getting wet. Ha.
I have an umbrella if you wanna use it.
No, no. Once we get there, we're fine. We're under.
Yeah, but it's the getting.
I'm just timing it right now. In my head.
If we do, then you can come pick it up.
What?
Just get him to drive you over there. We're at the table. What if you need it in the morning? Nah, I'm not gonna take it. I could get wet.
It was a thought, right?
I'm like a scratch and sniff. I actually smell better when I'm wet. Not like wet dog.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Watch out, watch out.
I remember that. It's back to farm. It's the oral morning or what?
Hmm? Mm-hmm.
It's fun.
I am. We smoked a joint before we came.
Oh, must be in my first.
Don't forget there's papers this week and garbage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, yes, please.
fuck, that's bouncing right in here.
Yeah, it kind of. Right. I like rain. I think it's supposed to be getting a little thundery too later, it said. I like that even better.
My phone, but it must be my first, I
Was that thunder?
guess. That's that.
It sounded like thunder. It's coming. I love thunderstorms.
I don't like the late one.
Hmm.
And I don't like the big thunders. You're sitting here, you know,
Yeah, the sudden ones, yeah, they're kind of scary. Uh,
What are you doing, you dumb bird?
yeah, you'd figure he'd find shelter, right? He has no care for shelter.
No,
Sounds
he
like
just loves the
He's
rain.
all alone. He's gonna go home with a big story house all wet. Like, looking for food. I don't know why
Yes?
the Facebook has to show animals hurt and stuff, you know?
I don't know. Yeah, but then they'll ban me because I say one bad thing about something. But they'll let them show
Yeah.
abuse pictures.
They say this dog was abused. I mean, I watched a couple stories and like, sad.
Do you see
I
something
love that.
in the picture?
No.
The sweatshirt is
Family's on here.
Mhm.
Then
Good.
we can come here more often now.
Yes. Yep.
No problem.
I don't mind coming near
We've got lots
coffee
of
club.
clothes, man. I'll be all right. No problem at all. Huh? Yeah.
That's good.
I was sitting in the bedroom and I had my afternoon on top of the bed, right? And the bed was made, okay, so with the comforter.
Sometimes I like playing in the rain.
Yeah, rain's okay.
So I'm
Cool.
sitting there and I'm watching this program. and
Nobody's
I'm
ever died of rain.
Put the cigarette out.
Little pizza.
And I thought I
Yeah.
had
You're
gas
your
in it,
buddy.
I didn't.
And my
So I'm
pals.
sitting there, and all of a sudden there's smoke coming up out of the fucking mattress. I'm like, oh, son of a bitch! It went, it burned through the comforter, through the fitted sheet, and into the mattress. And I'm
Oh
fucking
my
trying to
God.
put it out, right? I'm like, oh, you fucking stupid asshole! Like,
That's scary.
Shit like that, I gotta stop.
You're
I
scary.
need to stop.
That's scary. Falling asleep and burning your bed.
With that?
Well, yeah.
You burned it.
What if I would've
Burned
got
it a bit and sleep, fell asleep.
catch on fire? Like, what if I would like got up and walked into the other room? Or what if I was leaving? Like, you know what I mean? Like,
Can you imagine drunks?
yeah.
Drunks
exactly.
falling asleep? That's how they burn themselves, is they fall asleep and
I had a friend actually do exactly that.
Same with junkies. Junkies.
yeah.
Not around anymore either. Well, that's really hot, too. Oh, yeah. Good for you, yeah.
Good old rock. stops the thing that creates it. But it made the mail.
Fuck, we
go
should have kept
in.
going.
I don't think the mail will.
We would have been there
ever
now
go.
already. It would be dry. Now we're gonna get wet.
Yeah,
Moist.
all the-
Yeah.
All the time, like.
Nothing wrong with being moist, eh?
You ready? All right, let's go. See you tomorrow, guys. No going between the raindrops today. We'll get lots of breakfasts today. Ha.
I'm taking them.
Yeah. Ha. Swimming pools. Right? Okay, guys, it's wet. I'll be right back. Moist.
It's a very moist day. Eh?
It is. I posted a video of his bunions. He's got these, he was walking around in wet shoes all day yesterday. So he shows up at my place and his feet stink. So I told him, take your socks off. That's horrible. Let's get you some clean socks. So we got him into clean. He takes his shoe off. He's got this fucking thing. It's like this big right here. And it's out, sticking out like this much. And then, so I said, pull off your other sock. And he's got another one on the other one, eh? You're just running around in wet shoes all day. So I took a video. It was that gross. Over 200 views in less than 10 hours. Yeah. My, you know our friend, our Stefan and Raven? She left a comment. She put, oh my God, I thought my hubby's feet were bad, but geez, Nick. Yeah.
Oh, well, Michelle comes.
She'll be here.
Uh-oh. Here comes trouble.
Uh-oh.
Act natural.
I'll do the talking.
And you couldn't drive your car up underneath there?
Yeah, and usually she would.
I'm gonna show her that. Huh.
One day I want to bring some plastic and put a sheet over that one in the middle. That whole thing would fill up like a big bowl. Big, huge bowl of water. 1,000 gallons. Then you just let it go.
Yeah.
All the houses would just fill up.
That's my second shower.
Hey, Brenda messaged me last night on Zelo, but I wasn't up. What was she saying? What did she say?
I don't know.
Oh, I didn't hear.
Yeah, good thing I didn't put my flashlight with me.
Mm-hmm.
On my bag. Because Scrappy!
Matt.
Okay, I'm gonna go say to Scrappy.
Grab a smoke off Paul. Dwayne wants a smoke, say.
You're not allowed to have fun. You're not allowed to scare people in public anymore. You're not allowed to do anything. As long as, you're only allowed to do it to your friends. You can't do it to other people you don't know. You can get in trouble.
That's okay. I can go to a friend of mine.
That's fine.
Scared the fuck.
And they're telling me like this. One day she forgot to tell me I owe her $10 and she remembered. He told me that they were going around my wall. Sorry about those things being big up and here I get one already that lights up.
Ours is gonna be different, eh, Mike?
It's 3.
We're a big size. Is that
Dollar store, you are gonna be my friend.
Mm-hmm. Don't they have big sheets of them?
No, I'll just pack 5. That's all I need. I'll get a couple packs.
I'll grab them for you and hey Mike? I can go grab them for you. Oh,
I gotta
Mike.
go to the dollar store at some point anyway. I need a picture frame, so
I was gonna go today. tomorrow.
AG13, yeah, he sells at the dollar store.
Mike, I'm going tomorrow to the dollar store.
Probably be there
What
before
size?
that.
Oh, I'll check mine.
He's right near your buddy.
Yeah.
The city worker.
I'm good with him. I apologize to him. On camera.
Like a person should.
I said, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that stuff.
I better stand back just in case if he chooses to swing his legs a little bit faster. Hey, Brian?
Mm-hmm.
Opening all day and
Got some battery. Might as well sanitize
I got it on mine. I don't have to get paid.
Well, those ones dead?
Yeah, well, they're starting with so they can move for a while.
All the
We're going to take them out
right now.
to the whole thing.
Because their soybean and their wheat has got to get up some certain height. in corn.
Which is the acid.
If there ain't certain height in corn, they don't give the silage for the cows. Right?
Because it's good for the family, but not us, we have a leaking tile in our house. All the water comes in through the fucking walls and run basement. Even for the family.
Then the guy has to turn and have the walls resealed on the outside.
Yeah, they won't do nothing, eat your shit. It came down Friday night, and that's just come down on Friday.
You guys don't pay that much on rent, do you?
11:50.
You gotta sit to the
Okay,
wet.
so I don't think I'm coming over today to measure the crank.
No, too rainy.
If you're here tomorrow morning, I gotta bring you some cat food, not a lot, but enough to feed them for
Yeah, actually, I always
half
use
a
it.
day,
What I
no,
got.
a couple hours or whatever. But
And you
it's
can
something
charge
better
it,
than nothing, and I
Mhm.
know you appreciate it, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna bring that to you.
And you get air conditioning.
Sometimes with the ones that are like pebble stuff, I can keep it and pretend it's treats, and they won't know
Well,
the
you
difference.
can get away with these
And
ones
it's
to do
a
that.
secure
But
building.
anyway, and then if this weather is nicer, I'll do it tomorrow for the measuring it.
I think the one cat knows it's not because he kind of looks at me when I'm giving to him out of the treat bag.
Smell, you can
Yeah,
smell
I
the
think that's what it
difference.
is. Wait a minute, this is
The
regular.
other cat is just fucking constantly hungry because he has a fast metabolism. So he just wants fucking food, period.
Arr, 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 arr.
And right after
In the
that.
wild,
Yeah, but it's treats that he wants. He doesn't, because otherwise he'd just be at the dish all day. But he doesn't. He's
I think
treats.
it's more like you giving them to him is what he wants, or you hiding something from him, maybe.
You used to find
Yeah, he's a
$5
weird
bills,
cat.
$20
For a while there, I was hiding treats around, and every once in a while he'd walk by. So, oh, a treat. Yeah. Oh, a treat.
Right there, so Michelle.
Somebody else grabbed it.
Okay, so I'll go grab you your bag.
I'm going back there anyways. I have to shower anyhow.
Huh?
I have to grab a shower when I get back to his place.
Here's Michelle. I guess Michael
I can
likes
grab my
his
spokes
umbrella.
forward then
Mm-hmm.
when I'm at your place. Right?
Mm-hmm.
He says he's going to pay me for that. I drove, I paid for it.
I got a big nice one that says Calvin Klein on it, black and yellow. I can't carry it when I throw it the drill if I carry it in the door.
Uh-oh, here comes Dick's fireworks.
I'll get the lighter ready.
Hey, I just saw the cigarette button there.
Put a cigarette in there.
And let him carry it.
Okay, so this
Why is it in a Vance Badaway bag?
Because Vance Badaway supports this.
Yeah.
So check out this one. This one you're gonna like. It's got 36
Oh my
shots
God! Look
in
at that.
Oh,
Let's see. Show.
I thought you would like that.
That's badass.
So it's got like colors and stuff.
Meteor
I thought you
shower.
would like that. Yeah. I
Let's
got
see.
him variety because I wanted him to like different stuff. And then this one's like sparklers, like a shooting fountain of sparks.
Wow.
And then
Oh, that's
another one, I don't know what the hell that is. And then here's your
It's
9
fucking crazy.
Piss everybody off and make them run for the hills, screaming ones.
Jet
Meteor
stream.
shower. So
Right.
this is like
And
Future
then-
bombs.
And then here's the ones you throw at people.
yeah, those are the cherry bangers.
Those are the ones you throw at people. Simony got them. Should be enough there to enjoy.
Oh yeah.
Got 5 packs of those. That's pretty. Yeah, you see that?
I don't know.
Hey, where's the knife, Dwayne?
Oh my God! These look awesome.
Nobody's coming with a carton.
Can't believe they allow this shit in fucking Canada.
See, that's what you should be shoving next to your buddy's door there upstairs.
Yeah, boombox.
Light one of those flat ones and flick it under.
Thank you.
One of these.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Jet stream. This is
Did I pay you?
insane.
Is that the M80 ones? Those the big. Those are the double ones, eh?
What are those?
Told me I would've paid you.
Oh my God. I should have bought some of those.
This side up.
This
Oh,
one's blue. What's that one?
oh
Red.
red.
Red. And this one's blue.
the way you
Those
stick
things
'em?
look cool. Here. I'll put it in the back.
No, I think they just sit like that on the ground.
Who's got a light?
Here, put this.
Oh yeah.
Let it get wet.
Hey, I need a light for my cigarette.
You're gonna
Watch out!
light
Watch
it
out! Watch out!
and
Let him. Let me get a light. Let me get a view.
People talk about getting wet, I get banged here.
I don't think you should hold it.
I
think it went out.
You don't wanna get wet.
Is it?
I think it went out. Yeah, the rain. You put it in the rain. Yeah, the rain. It was in the rain. That's why.
The rain took that one out.
All right. Yeah, right there, right there. Don't go in the rain though. Yeah. Yeah, just touch it to the flesh. Watch out. Oh, that's cool.
It's like a flare.
That's pretty cool. That was
was
awesome.
And it burns like almost to nothing left.
Wow, look at all the smoke, Mike.
That's sick. This one will be red. Look at that.
Yeah, they're like little road flares, eh?
Yeah, that's so cool.
That's pretty cool.
Almost look like what's it called? Look like those rockets.
Hey,